Welcome to Starsgroupuae. We are the pioneers in aluminium, glass and steel products across Middle East and Africa. We provide our services ranging from skyscrapers, commercial buildings, villas etc. Our range of products include aluminium doors, windows of several kinds, customized design that suits your buildings with easy access. Space-saving, secure and flexible folding doors. Sliding doors with seamless finish. Rolling shutters with easy access and better security. We provide best quality steel products ranging from main gates, entrance doors, handrails, CNC works which enhances the architectural beauty of the building. As you know, aluminium plays an important role in this modern world and is perfect for thousands of products that we use every day. We always focus on providing best products and services to our client base with the best quality services.